Hey you guys, so I am going to do a an eyebrow tutorial. I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrow, show you guys how I create this eyebrow. Okay, so I normally go ahead and use my MAC eyebrow gel. This is in dark brunette. It's an eyebrow gel from MAC. It's really good. I love this. This is all I use to get that nice fleeky eyebrow. But first I like to use my brush just to make sure my eyebrows are in place. This brush is like so messy. I just like to make sure they're in place. Then after that I go for the dark brunette from MAC, and I like to go ahead and just trace my eyebrows. I trace it to the shape that I want it to be, and I also fill in like the empty spots. As you can see. You just gotta make sure you fill in all the empty spots that your eyebrow, because your eyebrow is not that full, so you just gotta fill that in. So you just want to trace it. Like fill that in. A little bit too much right here. So after you feel like you have traced it enough the way you want it, then you will go in with your concealer to shape it the way you want it to be shaped. So now I'll go in with my MAC NC47. And I will just go and start with the bottom part first. And then go on the top. And then you're going to go to the other eye. start from the bottom part. And then you go to the top. And then after you're done with that, you guys, you just want to go ahead and take a fluff brush and clean it up. This brush that I have, that I used to go ahead and trace my eyebrow with the matte concealer, it's called Vander. I've got this brush so long from, I think it's from a local beauty supply store. And then you want to go ahead and just rub that out. Or sometimes you could use your hand or your nails to just blend that out. And there you guys have it. This is my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you guys enjoy this eyebrow tutorial. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is just trace your eyebrows to the shape it was, or if you want to have it a little bigger, you could shape it that way. And then after that, you use a concealer to give it the shape you want. Even if you messed it up with the eyebrow gel, you could always use a concealer to shape it the way you want it to be.